Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you will be fine. Students, in our previous topic, we learned about international place value chart. Today, inshallah, we will learn about Pakistani place value system. Okay? So open your book. It's page number 7. Pakistani place value system. In Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, people use units, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores to define numbers. The smallest 8-digit number is called 10 million, which in Pakistani place value system is called 1 crore. Students, in international place value chart, we have 4 periods. The first period is units period, then thousands period, millions period and then billions period. Look at here. After millions, we have billions period. In units, we have units, tens, hundred. In thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And in millions period, we have million, 10 million, 100 million. In billions period, we have billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Now move to next chart, that is Pakistani place value chart. In Pakistani place value chart, we have 4 periods like international place value chart. Look at here. The first period is units period, then thousands period, lakhs period and crore periods. In Pakistani place value chart, in units period we have units, tens, hundred. In thousands period we have thousands and 10,000s. Now move to next period, that is lakhs period. Here we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Move to next period, that is called crores period. Here we have crore and 10 crore. Students, keep in mind that international place value chart, we put comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. But bear in mind that in Pakistani place value chart, commas are placed after first after 3 digits. First we will 1, 2, 3. Then after every 2 digits 1, 2. Then after every 2 digits 1, 2. The first one is it's called 1 lakh. And if we have 10 lakhs, it become 1 million. And 10 millions, they are equal to 1 crore. And 100 millions, they are equal to 10 crores. Students, here we have example. Write the number. Number is given and we have to write this number in words using the Pakistani place value system. So we will write here units, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we have to write this number in words. So it becomes 2 crore, 24 lakh, 52,265. Now let's start exercise. It's exercise number 6, page number 8. Write the numbers in words using the Pakistani place value system. First one is, first we will write here units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we will read the number like this: 5 crore, 67 lakh, 20,562. Let's solve the question on whiteboard. First we will write here units, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we will write here 5 crore, 67 lakh, 20,000, 562. Move to part B. Again, first we will write here units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we will write here 3 crore, 26 lakh, 52,679. Now we have part C. Again, first we will write units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we have to write this number into words. How we will write 4 crore, 35 lakh, 65,764. Students, we solve part A, B and C. You have to solve these parts on your maths notebook, and rest of two parts that are part D and E is your homework. You have to solve these parts on your practice notebook. Okay students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.